Let me actually show you exactly how this works.
This is so crazy.
We make it in a satin version and gloss. And every slip solution here, little slip solution here. When this goes on, you'll see it just simply disappears on the stone. Now this is giving 100% etch and stain protection, something that no other sealer in the world can do. Very carefully, don't try this at home. In such a way that it disappears on the stone, leaving a beautiful, natural, fully protected marble island. TuffSkin surface protection, lasting beauty for natural stone.